How to delete your YouTube channel.
Welcome to Quick Guide.
Well, I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to delete your YouTube channel. Start by opening any browser on your laptop. In the search bar, type youtube.com to access the YouTube homepage. Once on the YouTube homepage, look for the various options located at the left corner of the screen. Scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Advanced Setting at the end. Scroll down further until you find the Delete Your Channel option. Click on it to initiate the process. Enter your Google password here and click on that Next button. You will be presented with the two options. Click on the second option, which is to permanently delete your content. After selecting the second option, you will need to mark two checkboxes to confirm that you understand the implications of permanently deleting your content. This step is crucial as it signifies the irreversible nature of deleting your channel. Take a moment to read and ensure you are aware of the consequences. Once you have marked the checkboxes, click on Delete My Content to proceed the deletion process. You will have to enter your email address associated with this channel. Your YouTube channel is now deleted. When you return to the homepage of YouTube and check your channel, you will notice a message stating that the channel is no longer available. So this is how you can delete your YouTube channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.